Tired of the same old financial systems? Want to take control of your money and escape the surveillance state? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into Beam Wallet, a privacy-focused cryptocurrency that could revolutionize how you handle your finances. We'll explore how it works, how to get started, and most importantly, how to actually make money with Beam. What is Beam? Beam is a cryptocurrency built on the Mimblewimble protocol, a groundbreaking technology that prioritizes privacy and fungibility. Unlike Bitcoin, which leaves a permanent record of every transaction, Beam transactions are virtually untraceable. This means you can transact freely without fear of surveillance or censorship. Key features. Let's talk about what makes Beam special. Firstly, it's incredibly private. Beam uses confidential transactions, meaning the amounts being sent are hidden from prying eyes. Secondly, it's fast and efficient. Transactions are confirmed within seconds, making it ideal for everyday use. And finally, it's secure. Beam utilizes strong cryptography to protect your funds and ensure your privacy. Getting started with Beam. Ready to give Beam a try? Here's how to get started. Download the Beam wallet, head over to the official Beam website and download the wallet app for your preferred device. Create a wallet, follow the on-screen instructions to create a new wallet. Remember to securely store your seed phrase, this is crucial for accessing your funds. Acquire Beam, you can purchase Beam on cryptocurrency exchanges that support it. Earning with Beam. Now, let's get to the exciting part, how to make money with Beam. Mining. If you have the technical know-how and the necessary hardware, you can mine Beam. Mining involves using your computer's processing power to validate transactions and earn rewards. Staking. Some exchanges offer staking rewards for holding Beam in their wallets. This is a passive way to earn income on your cryptocurrency holdings. Trading. Like any cryptocurrency, Beam can be traded on exchanges. If you're skilled in technical analysis and market trends, you can potentially profit from price fluctuations. Developing on the Beam network, Beam has a thriving developer community. If you're a skilled programmer, you can contribute to the Beam ecosystem by developing new applications and tools. This can be a rewarding way to support the project and potentially earn income. Beam offers a unique blend of privacy, security, and efficiency. While it may not be as widely known as some other cryptocurrencies, its potential is undeniable. By understanding how Beam works and exploring the various ways to earn with it, you can take control of your finances and embrace a more private and secure financial future. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.